If you are using Telegram, in Telegram there is calling option. If you want to block others from calling you, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For that, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you're clicking on that, you can see one option, settings. Click on settings. When you're clicking on settings, you can see privacy and security down. Click on privacy and security. When you're clicking on that, you can see one option, calls. By default, it is set to everybody. Click on calls option. First, you can see who can call me. It is set to everybody. That means everyone can call you. If you want to restrict that, you can do that. For that, what you need to do is, here you can see my contacts option. Select this option. When you're selecting that option, only persons in your contacts can call you. And in that also, if you want to add exceptions, you can do that also. Here down, you can see add exceptions. And here one option is given, never allow. Click on this option. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your contacts. From contacts, select the contact which you want to block from calling you. For example, I have selected this contact. After that, down here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. After that, everyone in your contacts except this person can call you. Or if you want nobody to call you, you can select this nobody option. After that, no one can call you. Or if you want only 1 or 2 persons to call you and you want to block every other persons, you can do that also. For that, after selecting nobody, down here under add exceptions, you can see always allow option. Click on that option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your contacts option. From contact, select the contact which you want to allow calling. For example, I have selected this contact. You can select any number of contacts. After that, down here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. After this, only this person can call me. No other persons can call me. Anyways, after setting this according to your need, above you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that settings will be saved. Now only one contact can call me. If you want, you can set it to nobody. So this way you can block others from calling you in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.